Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Zero number 477AA. This is a clear anodized door sweep with a lip neoprene. So the 477 is representative of a snap channel cover system. So this is the door sweep itself. Features a neoprene insert. The snap cap, or the cover, literally snaps in, as you can see there. It's a permanent sort of snap connection. You wouldn't want to try to peel that out. It would not come out straight because it's not meant to come out. Why would you want this? A lot of architects prefer it. A lot of clients and end users prefer it because when it's installed, it gives a very clean look to the bottom of the door, conceals the heads of the screws, and is certainly, in my opinion, far more aesthetically appealing when you cover up those holes for the screws. Okay? There's your cap. Now, there is a link below this video to, there's an image below this video showing the important dimensional properties. And let's go over that now. I'm going to lose the cover. Overall height of the aluminum extrusion, they have it at basically 13/16. Yeah, just shy. Basically 7/8. Forgive me. Thickness is just heavy on 5/16. The length of the neoprene, that's 5/8 of an inch. That indeed is correct as well. Very nice quality door sweep that you're going to see on installations. Frankly, that aesthetics are as important as sealing the opening. That's where you're going to use this. As a result, the door sweep, of course, is more expensive. But when you look at the cost, not drastically so. I think that a sweep like this is very elegant to use because it covers up those screw holes and gives a very finished look. Okay, now moving on. This is available in the AA finish, which is clear anodized aluminum. It's not mill aluminum, it's anodized. It's also available in the, and I'm looking for the other finishes. It's going to also be available as a 477D, which is a dark bronze anodized, and also a 477G for a gold anodized. And all of that is aluminum-based material with the anodized finished. All of it will have the black neoprene insert. Where you're going to use this will be a great application on the bottom of a door as a door sweep, and that's certainly what this is intended for. The screws, of course, as I referred to earlier, are indeed included in a these actually have self-drilling points. It is not my, forgive me. Yes, there are self-drilling screws inside of this package. It is not my experience that that is how all of these are sent. I would be very tempted to say that self-tapping screws is what you can expect with the material. Now, if you noticed earlier, these are slotted screws that are here. That's very crucial to allow you to tailor the installation of the unit on the bottom of the door, and you're going to want to make sure that you get it perfectly placed and all the screws tighten down, and that you test for proper door operation before you seal it off with that snap cover. This is available on the site in lots of different lengths, naturally, from 2 foot to 8 foot. You can order lengths longer than 8 foot. We don't have them listed because the cost to ship them is generally considered prohibitive. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to ship the material back at, and we'll trim the aluminum, locate that slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge, and the proper center to center as well. What I was calling to attention there is that little dimple that's there. That's intentional. That it eliminates the sliding of the neoprene, so they will crimp that standard. If for some reason it came to you not crimped, that's what it would need to look like. A little center punch so that you're not crushing the aluminum, but making sure the aluminum doesn't slide on you. Now, finally, there is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, where you can pull up lots of different door sweeps and door bottoms from Zero, a variety of them. The 477 is on that first page, and you might take note of a in terms of a snap cover, forgive me, the 571 AA. That's also going to be available there as well. And that's going to give you the ability to tailor the location of your neoprene seal in terms of the plane parallel to the door, which leads me on to say I'm partial to Zero. And I'm partial to them because when you review their catalog, you might take notice that they take the engineering of this material to the extreme in a very good, positive direction. They have engineered this material so that they've so completely thought out problems, obviously with extensive field studies, where they've created products that will give you the greatest barrier of energy transfer, of just being general weather sealing, but also of energy, meaning temperature, and more importantly for a lot of material, acoustical energy. The name Zero is synonymous with acoustical gasketing. If you have an STC rated door, let's say an STC 50 something, it's very likely, it's all but considered a conclusion that the door will arrive with Zero branded gasketing. So there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page now, where you can pull up not only all of the Zero products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. If you have more than an occasional need for weather stripping, or if you use it all the time, you will certainly want to familiarize yourself and possibly bookmark that link to the Zero catalog, because of what I had said earlier about the extreme diversity of engineered product that they have. They have things, simply put, that no one else has. And that's just simply the bottom line. If you have any questions on the Zero number 477 AA, snap cover style neoprene door sweep, or any other Zero product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.